Bollywood film festivals live, and you know we have had these amazing sessions so far, and let me tell you that this International Intercollegiate Film Festival is the right place to get all your industry related questions answered. It began in 2019, and with all the blessings of you guys and all amazing industry professionals, we have been getting the traction we deserve. So check out our website made by Neuromonk and our digital partner. Check out our amazing clothing partner Bonkers.corner. The hoodie, the one that I am wearing, it's super cozy, it's super comfortable. It is Bonkers. Next up, for all you wanderers who are into traveling, we are here with our partner Hiker Wolf that has amazing travel stories and amazing travel plans. You should definitely check them out. You know, and when we are doing such things, there is a certain amount of professionalism that comes with being a part of these events. So we have a corporate consulting partner, that is Quality Cognition Private Limited. We have Cute Mobile Cases, and our mobile case partner is Case Basket India. Our construction partner, Hazur Multi-Project. So today we have with us this multifaceted, amazing actor, anchor, model, basically an amazing performing artist with us today. And I am supremely thrilled to have him with us today. I'll tell you why. Because he is an anchor and I am an aspiring anchor. So who better to ask him questions than me, and who better to answer my questions than him, So I'm gonna try to get in touch with him and send him a request. We have the amazing Mr. Karan Singh Chhabra, and we have with us the amazing Karan Singh Chhabra today, and we're gonna have a conversation with him, understand how he took his journey ahead and what's happening. So come on, you guys, keep tagging him in the live. Let's see how fast he can get here. Lovely audience, you guys are sending in the hearts, and I'm sure you guys are excited. Tell me, where have you seen Karan sir? I haven't completed his introduction. I want to hear from you guys कि आप लोगों ने करण सर को सबसे पहले कहाँ देखा? Come on, Kajal. You tell me. We have Ankit. Come on, guys. Tell me. Where have you seen Karan sir? Did anybody watch this movie called Rabta? He has been a part of multiple hits, We have Rabta, we have Bazaar that he did in 2018. Then he did Guinea Wed Sunny in 2020. And I'm absolutely excited to get to know more about his career and how he started. Okay, Aryan is here. Hello, Aryan. Let me tell you more about our film festival. Do you guys know what date it is happening on? Tell me, come on, quickly. कब हो रहा है ये amazing film festival? बताइए, चलिए, quick. Okay, anyway, for all those who are here, I'm very upset that you guys haven't stalked us. Come on. You guys know it's on the 30th and 31st, and today we have with us the amazing Mr. Karan Singh Chhabra here to tell us more about the industry and about his amazing projects. And we have seen him everywhere, right from the Lakme Fashion Week to movies and to amazing interviews that he conducts as a TV show host and as an anchor. I personally love the questions he asks, and let's hope that I am able to get to know his secrets. And he has absolutely joined our live right now. I'm going to send him a request. Okay, the request has been sent. I'm absolutely excited. Please let the hearts keep raining in. Let's show him our love. Hello.
Hi,
Hi,
Garima.
good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
All good, all good. So, I'm with Aarti, and I saw your message when I started the live. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to send you a request before this. So, thank you so much for joining. Very, very happy
Thank
that
you. I hope I'm audible and visible. I've never done this live in my office. It's a new setup, so I'm just figuring out the lighting here.
You're very much audible. The audibility is not an issue. Absolutely not an issue.
बस ये रहने दो. मुझे support दे दो बस.
I think I can absolutely relate to what's happening to you right now, because I have been doing these lives and I have a very elaborate setup. There's a laptop, there are multiple books below the laptop, there's a lamp across my laptop. So I absolutely understand where you're coming from.
I have nothing here. It's an office that I have just taken out and figuring out things here. Yeah.
No issues. As soon as you're comfortable, maybe we can begin.
I'm fine. Let's go ahead.
All right. Okay. So the thing is, I'm quite excited because this is an anchor meeting an aspiring anchor. So I think this is a very good setup where I actually get to understand a lot about performing arts in general, because you have played a versatile role. You know, you've been an actor, you've worked at the Lakme Fashion Week, you've been a model, and you have your hosting going on. So I'm very, very humbled to be in your presence, and I hope that through this we are able to get a lot of information out to aspiring professionals in the industry.
Yes. I'm so excited.
All right. So yes, absolutely. So I think I'll begin with why you took up the performing arts industry and what pushed you to becoming an actor.
So I'm a software engineer otherwise, and I have been doing this as a hobby during my job. I was working with IBM, Deloitte, Genpact. So it started as a hobby, and then when I knew that I can earn my bread and butter professionally, full time. Is when I quit my highly paying engineering job and got into this.
Wow, so quite a transcending journey of going from the corporate lifestyle to an amazing fame-driven lifestyle where all eyes are on you. So how did you manage that the entire transition as soon as you started getting the traction?
So, if you talk about all eyes on me, I was pretty proactive in my school days only. So, I was into debates, declamations, extempores. Thanks to my schooling, which is YTS Mohali. It's a pretty cool day boarding school. I used to spend most of your time in school, and wherever I am today, I think majorly because of the schooling. And so it's not about I was nervous or I was ever conscious about all eyes on me. Just that it takes a lot of guts to take the risk of a middle class guy who has always been taught by family to study, पेपर हाई करो, पेपर 10 बहुत जरूरी है, फिर +2 तो बहुत ही जरूरी है, बेटा +2 के बाद बीटेक में अच्छे मार्क्स आना बहुत जरूरी है, बीटेक के लिए तो प्लेसमेंट लेना बहुत जरूरी है. So all these stages, when parents always tell you this is the important stage of your life and it never ends. So I think taking the switch was a pretty big thing for me. It took me 2 years to decide whether I should just do it as a hobby or I should take it full time. And yeah, that's how it was.
I think you represent a lot of us here when you say that plus 2 की पढ़ाई करो फिर B.Tech करो फिर M.Tech करो फिर placement ले लो. So definitely I think that the risk factor that you were talking about is something that most of us are scared to take, and with industry professionals like you encouraging us, maybe one of us will definitely take that step and hang out with you soon.
Yes, it's all about having a plan B, work on your plan A, but ऐसा नहीं कि आपका plan A work ना करे तो आपको कुछ है नहीं करने को. That is very disheartening. I think you should always have your education, your studies, your qualifications, so that tomorrow, if you fall in your plan A, you have a plan B.
Okay. Right.
That keeps you very sorted, and not really desperate for work or hungry for work. And trust me, the fashion, glamour, media industry always likes chasing people. They will never like you approaching for work yourself.
Okay. All right. तो आप तो मतलब बिल्कुल हमें स्कीम ही बता दे रहे हैं, मतलब इंडस्ट्री की बिल्कुल बढ़िया आपने इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है कि you should always have a plan B, which is definitely important. A lot of people don't say that, but I think that you telling us definitely makes us understand that it's best to have a little bit of security for yourself, instead of completely getting demotivated. So yeah, definitely something to learn. And like you said that you were an engineer, so what is this office about? Like, is
So-
it like what
So
is this
this
office?
is like a tie-up with a production house, and I
Okay.
co-founded a talent management agency.
Wow.
And it's all about connecting people to people. So majorly we deal in celebrities because it's been five to 6 years of hosting this chat show, multiple chat shows for that matter, and being connected to them. And I think it's just about offering the right people the right thing. So from brands to scripts to serials to web series, everything.
Wow, amazing. I think that, this is where your entire, I think, experience in the corporate would count, because now you're going to completely also work on your own business. So I think that this basically, you're setting an example for us when you say that, have a little bit of a plan B or also work. So that's amazing. We hope that your firm skyrockets in no time, and you have multiple new talents that you introduce to the industry.
Yes, I just got. I gave a friend of mine from Delhi who's working in ZTV now in a daily soap, and it gives me immense happiness when you see other people also growing and you contribute in a small way towards their career. Fun.
Right. That's great. Absolutely. So I think now I would like to know a little bit about your likes and dislikes, and then we can jump into completely technical questions. So what kind of, so give me all your genres, like your favorite movie genre and your favorite music genre.
Movies, I like something like Good News, Scream, Badhai Ho, Dream Girl. I like these kind of films like Live and who have a really good story.
Right, definitely.
That's my zone. And music, I think I listen to anything Bollywood.
Okay. So you're a complete Bollywood fan when it comes
And
to
I'm
music.
proud
That's
of
amazing.
it. I'm not like those who सुनते Bollywood और बाहर जाके बोलते हैं we listen to all these English hit
No,
tracks.
absolutely not. Like,
I'm fully Indian, I'm fully Bollywood, and I'm proud of it.
for sure, I think after half an hour of English music, you definitely want to tulak at a party. So you can't get away from Bollywood. That's what's in our blood, and it's time we accept it. Absolutely. So good to hear that from you. Generally people will bring in something like, okay, I listen to this kind of world music, that kind of world music. Yeah, but what is your core? Of course it's Bollywood, definitely. Okay. So what were your hobbies like growing up, and what hobbies are you pursuing right now?
when I was growing up, I was always a very hyperactive kid. I used to do multiple things at the same time. I was a part of ISEC. If you've known about this organization.
Yeah. I was just about to ask you that after.
Full of hyperactive kids like me. जिनको college,
Absolutely.
College life से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, and they're all about doing multiple things and all those things. So I was the vice president of communications department. So my job was again handling media and highlighting their events and everything.
Okay.
I think I used to do those things in my college. I've never been a sports person. I always wish I was, but never into sports that much. So even today, my hobbies are I love stalking people on social media.
Okay.
That's my
That's great.
favorite pastime.
I think that's that is quite peculiar of you to stalk people on social media, because that gives you a lot of insight about people, and then you can ask questions accordingly, I think. So wow, that's definitely one hobby that we should take up shamelessly. All of us do it in our pastime secretly, so we might as well get into it more productively. So very good to know that you were involved in multiple co-curriculars and you were very skill set driven, I think, to shorten your answer. I think you were quite skill set driven with whatever you had. So in your college life, you were completely working on what you could build out of whatever you knew, which is amazing. I think all the students here who are here at the Mittywood Film Festival live should definitely make a note of that.
You should. I think to all the students, one thing I want to tell you guys, it's a time when you have so much to do, you can do so much, and you should do so much, so that eventually you realize कि अच्छा मुझे ये लगता है और मैं आगे जाके throughout my life ये कर सकता हूँ. So, for example, I am not an engineering person. I am not a mathematics person. I'm more into marketing and media and communication. So in ISEC, I realized that I was earlier doing a role which was not this. I was in some other role. But then they realized कि नहीं यार आपको सिर्फ parties करने आते हो ISEC में आप काम. And then they gave me this role which I like to do, and I think I got really inspired by this. And even if I'm not acting or anchoring, I can doing media management all my life.
For sure, but I think that now after we've seen you on the screen, we're not letting you go. So we definitely want you to be on the screen more often. And I think Guinea Wed Sunny is something which is definitely going to be a topic of our conversation now. So tell us a little bit more about Guinea Wed Sunny. Like, how did you take up the script, and what was the casting process?
Honestly, it was just a call from the producer. He is like a brother now. We've been meeting at a lot of filming events and everything, and he just calls me ki Karan, script mat dekh. I just want you to be a part of my film. It's like my baby. And be assured you're gonna have fun in Mussoorie, Dehradun, wherever you're shooting. So just take it like a vacation and just join me. So I just said yes. I did not even know what I'm going for. And I had a blast. Honestly speaking, I had nothing much to do in the film. We were just chilling and having fun, and I was just being myself. So that's how it is. But something that was really difficult was playing a terrorist in Z5 State of Siege, which required
so your other project,
right.
So what did you do to get into that? And I just want to understand, like, as an actor or as a performing artist, how do you choose a platform where you present yourself? Like, what is that one thing that you look for in a platform, in a script, in a movie, anything like that?
So if you're talking about how do I choose a platform, no, the platform chooses actors. So I'm not at a stage where I can say no, I will not do channel A and I will work for channel B. It's not that. Honestly, it should be the script that you like, the team that you like, and sometimes I also work for money. There are times I just do the same thing I was doing in the previous serial, series, whatever. but they're paying good money, and at the end of the day, I'm full-time actor, so it's also my job to earn money and get some nice payments. So it depends exactly on how many offers I have in hand that time, and how is my schedule like. So if I have 4 offers, I will obviously choose the best role, because that will make the career, not the money.
Right.
You know, you do one good project and your price shoots up.
Absolutely.
And after that, I'll give priority to you know, the money and all the screen time and everything. So you need to be calculative. If there is no rocket science, no formula for the industry, Shahrukh Khan ban gaye hote ya Manish Paul ban gaye hote. But there is no formula, and the best thing is to keep working and enjoy life. If you see my Instagram, it's full of my people, my lifestyle, where I party, so I work hard and I party harder.
It's as simple as that.
Right. So that's amazing. So basically, just being your authentic self and choosing whatever's best for you at that given point of time.
At that given point of time, yeah.
Okay, so then Siege, right? So I don't recall what OTT platform it's airing on.
Which one?
Sorry?
State of Siege.
Yeah, State of Siege.
It's on ZEE5.
ZEE5, right. So about all these OTT platforms, like when you got to the OTT scene, what was your opinion? Like, how did your expression as an actor change? Because we've heard that OTT definitely gives you more space for growth and expression in a certain way. So, how was your experience working with, working for ZEE5 in the State of Siege?
So, OTT and films have kind of a more subtle way of acting, more realistic space. Television, for that matter, अभी तक जो caricature ज़्यादा होता है. So, if he says मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ, तो जितना मुझे समझाया गया था कि गांव में जो बैठी ऑडियंस को भी समझाना है, underlying, and everything is very over expressive. It's like that. However, OTT and films, the way of acting is a little more real. You have the script in advance. आपको एक दिन पहले नहीं मिलती, आपको same day मिलती है कभी-कभी, और बस छपाई चलती है, छापो. और वेब और फिल्म थोड़ी अच्छे से टाइम से बनती है, आपको स्पेस दिया जाता है, रीटेक्स ज़्यादा होता है, तो इसलिए वो अच्छी निकल के आती है ज़्यादा, परफॉर्मेंस वाइज.
Okay, so then what about the character? Like, I'm sure to build the character, you might have had to shed a lot of your, personal ethical beliefs. So how did you manage that transition, because every actor has to do that. So we want to understand what is your process of getting into the character.
So it is firstly about doing a thorough study about the character, understanding कि वो क्यों कर रहा है. For example, those 10 terrorists who had come to Bombay to attack, the 26/11 attacks. Half of them were brainwashed that if you kill them, you will go to Allah, Allah will bless you. You will be the soldiers, you are doing jihad and all those things. And some of them were so poor that they were forced into it, and their families were being fed by those leaders. So I think in episode 4 or 6 out of the 8 episodes, there is a scene where my boss in Pakistan is threatening me that if you don't do your job nicely, we will kill your family here in Pakistan. So you have to understand the backstory of that person, and then obviously you have to feel like him, think like him, believe like him. Only then you will be able to deliver the lines like him.
Okay, so that seems like a very, very exhausting process, I'm sure. So how did you get out of it? I'm sure a lot of people ask you ki kaise you got into the character, but I also want to know that how did you get out of it? And also, I think there's some kind of voice issue from either my end or yours. I'm not sure.
Khas is saying, please check first sir ki voice repeat ho rahi hai. Please check. Do you want me to log
I can't
out?
hear your voice repeating. there's no repetition of voice at my end. However, there is a little bit of network issue. You're a little pixelated and it's breaking over and again. ऐसा हो रहा है अभी तो.
So you want me to log in again?
Yeah, sure. If you would like to, that would definitely be better. Otherwise, we can just wait for it to stabilize.
Continue the chat. I'll just log in again. I'll send you a request.
Okay, all right. I'll get a few questions from our audience for you.
Yes. I'm reading everyone's name, guys. I'll just get that. I don't know
Yes,
how to
yes,
end it now.
yes. I understand that a lot of you are enjoying this conversation. However, Sir also does lives and chats with, a lot of celebrities on his Instagram. To join us soon. So we have another 15-20 minutes of conversation with him. Quickly tell me कि आपको करण सर के बारे में क्या जानना है? As much as I'd like to wear my earphones, there's a lot of commotion at my end, so I don't want you guys to hear it absolutely loudly. But forget all that, Sir has been so kind. He joined us and he was absolutely giving us candid information about the industry. And we have absolutely loved his, approach towards having a conversation with us. I think not a lot of people are able to give us this kind of information. So for all the students and all the fans out there, you have to understand that this is an amazing opportunity to learn and grow. Yes, I have sent you an invite, sir. Please join us.
Hi.
Hello again.
Hi.
Yes. So as much as we hate the internet not cooperating with us, thank you so much for joining back. But this is just something that happens on and off since the lockdown because a lot of bandwidth issues with many people using it. So we definitely understand how it feels to have a bad internet connection. So I think we have another 10-15 minutes at hand, and I would definitely want to get into more technical questions so that the students and the aspiring professionals here can understand how it relates. So like I asked you, how do you get out of that zone? Like what is your boundary or what is your wall of you versus your character?
So every actor has his or her own technique, and sometimes there might be no technique at all. So what I generally do is to switch out of that character. Just believe when the character says cut, it really means cut. So just go back to Karan Singh Chhabra, and I think it's pretty easy most of the time.
Okay. So you involve yourself, but not that much that you would get carried away with the role itself.
Not at all. I mean, otherwise I would be in jail. अगर मैं वो terrorist वाले zone में सड़क पे उतर आऊँ, I would have been
Right.
by now.
Absolutely. So the entire process, I'm definitely sure, is quite exasperating, and pretty sure that all of us are going to love watching the State of Siege, and we will definitely make sure that we watch the entire series and send you our feedbacks as much as we can.
Yes.
So
I'll
when
be
you
there
were
from episode 2 onwards, but please send me the screenshots, put in your stories and I'll repost.
Absolutely. So right, you said that ठीक है, जब भी director ने cut बोला तब cut, सही बात है. So are you a director's actor or are you somebody who improvises a lot?
Sorry, come again with your question. I was reading one comment. Sir, आप अपना phone उठा के again रखिए because आपका mic close होता है तो voice Wait. देसी जुगाड़. Yeah. अब ठीक है?
Yeah, I think it's mostly it's fine. Like, see, I can't hear a lot of echo, but maybe other people have better devices than me. Who knows? Right. तो मुझे
What
ये
was your
जानना है
question?
कि are you a director's actor, or are you somebody who improvises a lot, and how do you choose where to improvise?
So always a director's actor.
So always a director's actor.
Other
I
option
think there is
also.
no
If
other
you are
option
working
also.
under a
If you
director,
are
which you
working
always
under
are,
a director, which you
you
always
have to go
are,
as per him. You can
you
always
have to
ask
go
him
as
कि
per
sir,
him. You can always ask
इसकी
him,
जगह
कि
मैं
sir,
ये कर लूँ या
जगह
मैं
मैं
ये
ये
कर
कर
लूँ,
लूँ,
and
या मैं
most
ये
of
कर
times
लूँ,
they allow
and most of times
unless
they
the
allow,
meaning of
unless the meaning
of the entire line or the
entire
paragraph
line or the
is
paragraph
changing.
changing.
So yeah, most of the times
most of the times
you can improvise.
you can improvise.
Okay.
Unless it's an ad.
So
ad is 30 seconds
So
Okay.
ad
or
is
1
30
minute.
seconds or 1
हाँ,
minute.
हाँ, हाँ.
It's a lot of there's a lot of hierarchy involved in
It's
an
a lot of
ad.
there's a lot of
There's a
hierarchy involved in an ad. There is a director,
agency, then the brand,
agency,
and
then
everyone.
the brand,
So
everyone.
ad में आप बिल्कुल change नहीं कर
Ad
सकते
में
because
आप
उनका
बिल्कुल
एक एक
change
word बहुत
because
calculated
उनका
होता है
एक
उनके
एक
brand
word
के
बहुत
हिसाब से, but
calculated
you
होता है
can't
उनके
change that.
brand के हिसाब से.
Films,
You can't
TV,
change that.
web series you can
Films,
improvise.
TV, web series you can improvise it.
Okay, so like you said about the ad hierarchy, tell us a little more about that. I mean, I probably missed out that you were also a part of a lot of ad films. I'm sure because you might have done a lot of PR for agencies as well as an actor and a model. So, what is it like being on an ad set? Is the procedure as exhausting? Do you have a shorter shooting time? Like, how does it go?
So firstly, no, I did not work for any ad agency
For
or
any
did not
ad
do PR
agency
for
or
any
did not
ad
do PR
agency
for
at
any
all.
ad agency at all.
The process is
The
pretty
process
tedious
is
in ads because they
ads.
test around
Test
800
around
actors for that
800
one
actors
ad.
for
मुझे
that
अब
one
तक समझ
ad.
नहीं आता
मुझे
कि
अब तक
क्यों
समझ
करते
नहीं
हैं
आता
वो लोग.
कि
I
क्यों
still
करते हैं
fail to
वो लोग. I
understand.
still fail to understand.
Imagine 800 people
Imagine
auditioning
800
and only
people
one getting
auditioning and only
selected,
one
and the
getting selected, and the
799
799
heartbreaks that happen.
heartbreaks that happen.
Right,
The
right.
rejections.
The
And
rejections.
I still don't understand because it
I
is as
still
simple as
understand
that. You
because
see the
it is as
picture,
simple
you
as
see
that.
the
You see the
production, you see
picture,
the
you see
previous
the
work.
production, you see the
आप
previous
800 के
work.
800 देख लो
आप
घर बैठ
800
के,
के
आपको जो
800 देख लो
पसंद
घर
आ रहे
बैठ
हैं
के,
आप
आपको
टॉप
जो
10 के ऑडिशन ले
पसंद आ रहे हैं आप
लो.
10 के
Go with
ऑडिशन
them.
ले लो and just
So
go
I
with them.
don't understand why they
So
do
I
this,
don't
and it
understand why
really
they
needs
do
to
this,
change.
and it really needs
A
to
lot of
change.
things that I
A lot of
think I
things that I
wish
think
I
I
could
wish
change
I
in
could
the favor of
change in the
artists,
favor of
not only
artists,
actors, I'm talking
not
about
only actors,
dancers,
I'm talking about
singers,
dancers,
Of course, of course.
technicians. A lot of things need to
technicians.
be
A lot of things need to be
more in the corporate way, which they
more
are
in the
not right
corporate
now.
way, which
It is more the Lalaji way,
they are not
which
right now.
is not good for any
It's
industry.
not good for any industry.
But to answer your question,
But to answer your
when you're
question,
shooting on
when you're shooting
on an ad
on
set,
on an
तो
ad
बहुत
set,
ही planned
तो
होती है
बहुत
ad.
ही planned
मतलब
होती है ad.
chart
मतलब
पूरा एक
chart
पेपर पे
पूरा एक
एक
पेपर पे
सीन
एक
शॉट बाय शॉट लगा होता है कि अब ये
शॉट
होगा,
लगा
अब
होता है,
इसका
सही
close-up
बात
होगा,
होगा, अब
ऐसे
इसका
करके.
close-up होगा,
तो वो
ऐसे
thumbnails
करके.
आप समझ लो,
वो
thumbnails
thumbnails आप समझ
पहले
लो,
से बने होते
जी
हैं.
जी
पहले से
स्टोरी
बने
टेलिंग में जो आता है
planned
शॉर्ट
होते
में.
हैं.
thing to shoot an ad.
Planned thing to shoot an ad.
Okay, okay. What I like the most about your answer is that you've given us insights on how the industry can improve. And not a lot of people who are already in the industry will do that. But I think that this just shows how you have brought in all the honesty throughout the session and how candid you have been with the entire thing. And of course, even we hope as aspiring professionals in the industry, either backstage, on stage, or any performing arts in general, that there be a little bit more inclusivity or a little bit more consideration regarding whatever is happening. So I think that kind of revolutionary thinking with this generation actors, I mean, I think you would fall in a similar generation as us, and you are quite young. So I think that's very important, and we definitely hope that we are able to imbibe that and take it forward with other industry professionals like you. So
Correct.
that's
कुछ
like that
जस्सी
actually.
सिंह का आया हिंदी में बोलो,
Yeah.
तो क्या हम हिंदी में थोड़ी बात कर लें?
हिंदी में थोड़ी बात कर लें.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जरूर जरूर. हिंदी मतलब हिंदी में तो कर ही सकते हैं. इट्स जस्ट दैट जो भी जैसे भी जमे जब भी.
Correct.
ठीक है, तो थोड़े सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस लेते हैं बिफोर वी पार्ट वेज, क्योंकि इंस्टाग्राम का
I can hear you now.
Yes.
Hear you now.
हाँ, तो इंस्टाग्राम का एल्गोरिदम है वो हमें थोड़ी देर में किक आउट कर देंगे, उसके हम थोड़ी और बातें कर लें। तो ये जानना था कि लॉकडाउन में आपने क्या सीखा और आपका रेजिम क्या था,
मैंने एक
क्या
चीज
करते थे आप
सीखी
पूरा
है
दिन?
लॉकडाउन में कि
लॉकडाउन में कि
अमीर हो या गरीब हो, भगवान ने
अमीर हो या
सबको
गरीब हो,
24
भगवान
घंटे
ने
ही दिए
सबको
हैं
24 घंटे ही दिए
एंड
हैं।
what you make out of those 24
What
hours
you
is
make out
absolutely
of
up
those
to you.
24
वहाँ पे
hours is
भगवान ने कोई
absolutely up to
पार्टियालिटी
you.
नहीं
वहाँ
की है।
पे नहीं की है।
So just work on your skills,
just
keep
work on your
improving
skills,
yourself,
keep improving yourself,
spend time with family,
spend time
have a
with family,
proper
have a
set of your
proper
personal
set
time, your
of your
family time, your
personal time,
professional
your
time,
family time, your
and
professional time.
don't get into too much of a
And
race.
don't get into too much
Enjoy
of a
करो
race.
लाइफ को
Enjoy
और
करो life
जो
को
मिला है उसमें
और
खुश रहो,
जो मिला है
बट
उसमें
इसका
खुश
मतलब
रहो,
ये नहीं कि
but
एम्बिशन भूल
इसका
जाओ,
मतलब ये नहीं कि
एम्बिशन
ambition
भी
भूल
याद
जाओ,
रखो, बट
ambition
just
भी
be
याद
happy,
रखो,
be
but
positive.
just be happy, be positive.
क्या बात है। तो आई एम श्योर कि आप थोड़े मेंटल हेल्थ को भी सही रखने के नुस्खे बता ही सकते हैं। यू सीम लाइक अ वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड वेरी वेल ड्रिवन पर्सन, यू नो, वी कैन सी दैट एनर्जी फ्रॉम यू। तो थोड़ा आपके मेंटल हेल्थ रेजिम के बारे में भी बताइए, क्या क्या है आपका मंत्र, आप क्या फॉलो करते हैं?
मैंने सुना बहुत है,
सुना
आइडियली
बहुत
मैंने
है,
वीडियोस भी
आइडियली
बनाए
मैंने
हैं,
वीडियोस भी बनाई हैं,
ये प्रीच
ये
करते रहे कि
प्रीच
योगा
करते रहे
करो,
कि
थोड़ा
योगा
मेडिटेशन
करो, थोड़ा
करो।
मेडिटेशन
जी
करो।
जी
आप
जी
किसी भी भगवान में
किसी भी
बिलीव करते
भगवान
हो तो
में
कहते हैं ना,
believe करते
एनी
हो
रिलीजन
तो
दैट यू
कहते हैं
फॉलो,
ना,
एनीवन,
any religion that you
चाहे वो
follow, anyone, चाहे वो
पत्थर हो, चाहे वो
पत्थर हो,
किताब
चाहे
हो,
वो
चाहे वो
एक
कुछ भी
किताब
हो,
हो,
एनीथिंग
चाहे
दैट
वो
यू
कुछ
बिलीव
भी
इन,
हो, anything that you
it
believe
gives
in,
you a sense of
it gives you a sense
positivity.
of
Like
positivity.
being
Being
from a Sikh family,
from
when I go
a
to a
Sikh
Gurudwara,
family, when I
I
go
just
to a
feel
Gurudwara, I
very
just feel
motivated
very
and very
motivated
positive when I
and
come
very
out of it.
positive when I come out
बिल्कुल
You
of
can
it.
find
You
peace
can
in
find
anything,
peace
and
in
I think
anything,
you should
and I
practice
think you
that
should
every day.
practice that
If
every
not,
day.
then
If not, then
जितना भी आप
जितना भी आप
practice कर पाओ,
practice कर पाओ,
that's
that's
about it. And I think
about
आप
it. And
अपनी
I think
healing खुद
आप
कर
अपनी
सकते हो, आपको
healing
कोई
कर
कुछ
सकते हो,
नहीं
आपको
समझा
कोई
सकता.
कुछ नहीं समझा
So
सकता.
you are your own
So you are your own
doctor
doctor
in terms
सही
of
बात है।
mental
in terms
health,
of
and
mental
just
health, and just
teach yourself to
teach
be happy.
yourself to
Surround
be
yourself
happy.
with good
Surround yourself
positive
with
people
good
around,
positive people around.
and I think you're sorted.
And
क्या बात है, क्या बात है। बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा कि स्पिरिचुअलिटी और रिलीजन जो भी आपको, जहाँ पे भी आपको थोड़ा पीस मिले, यू नो, यू कैन इवन मेडिटेशन, व्हाटएवर फिट्स योर वाइब, यू नो, डू समथिंग दैट गिव्स यू दैट कॉन्शियसनेस एंड अवेयरनेस फॉर अ फ्यू मिनट्स। डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली। So again, like last question for you. Tell me what you want to put out there for all these aspiring industry professionals in all the, you know, performing arts or even as people who are into filmmaking. ऐसी क्या चीज है जो उनको अपने में मेंटेन करनी चाहिए? ऐसी क्या ऐसा क्या ट्रेट है जो उन्हें साथ में लेकर ही चलना चाहिए?
सबसे पहले ये है कि be honest to yourself, be loyal to the people you're working with. आप अगर मैं filmmakers की बात करूँ, aspiring, आप इंटर्न जरूर करने जाएंगे, आप किसी के अंडर काम करेंगे, पहले सीखेंगे. So be loyal to your guru and you know, learn as much as you can. बोलो कम, सुनो ज़्यादा, सीखो. और I think एक डायरी बना लो कि मैंने आज क्या नया सीखा, what did you take back from the set today or off set जब preparation चल रही होती है, and try implement that in your own way. And along with that, अपना भी आजकल YouTube है, कितना कुछ है, अपनी short film, अपनी कलाकारी करते रहो, दिखाते रहो, because platforms बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. You are not dependent on a so-called A-list director or producer to give you a break now. I mean, see Bhuvan Bam,
सही
see
बात।
Ashish Chanchalani, see these young nice filmmakers. I go to these film festivals जो awards जीत रहे हैं. So just work hard and make use of the platforms that are there today. And rock it.
Amazing. So consistency, creativity, and putting yourself out there, and being honest about what you're doing. I think that would sum up all the things that you've said.
Most important is being loyal.
Most important is being loyal.
Yeah, right. That too. To whom though?
To your guru, to the team that you're working with.
The team that you're working with.
Okay, right. Okay, I mean, I do have a few questions about that, but I think we will definitely take them offline whenever we have the opportunity. And just before we part ways, give us a message for Mittywood Film Festival. And I hope you're able to attend it on 30th and 31st. तो कुछ शब्द Mittywood Film Festival के लिए.
So I'm really excited. Yes, I hope I make it to the film festival. And as I said, it is your platform to showcase your talent. And I'm sure that a lot of good films would come out of that festival. And I'm really looking forward to it.
Thank you so much. We are looking forward to have you there, and I am looking forward to have the opportunity to meet offline and have this conversation, have a chit chat over chai, understand more about the industry. Since you have been so kind and candid about the answers you have given, तो चाहूंगी कि फिर से मुलाकात हो, एटलीस्ट लाइव पर तो हो ही जाए.
For sure. And all the best.
For
I
sure.
hope to see you
And
guys
all the best. I
at the
hope to see
festival.
you guys at the festival.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. See you soon. Take care of your health and stay safe.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye.